Very good morning, children. Food and health. The chapter 2, food and health. After completing all the explanation of the chapter twice, we will do some important question of this chapter that are very important, and they are your knowledge based questions. Okay, so I hope you all can do. So please, all the questions you have to do in your science copy, in science fair copy. Okay, so let us start the question number 1. So question 1 is circle the odd one. So there are 4 options in each question. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions in which 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options are there. Every question have 4 options. So question number 1. Wheat, rice, corn and ghee. Circle the odd one. Means you have to identify the name which is completely different from others, right? So we have to identify some different name in each question, from each question. So आपको उसमें से जो सबसे अलग नेम है उसको सर्कल करना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, wheat गेहूँ, rice चावल, corn मक्का and ghee you all know. So which is the odd one? Which name is odd in all these names? Wheat, rice and corn, these all are cereals, anaj, but ghee is different. Ghee is a fat rich food. So we will circle ghee, right? Now the next question number 2. Running, sleeping, walking, yoga. These are 4 names. Running, you know, bhagna, sleeping, sona, walking, chalna and yoga, the yog. So all these 3 words, you know all the 3 words, and yoga you also know the yoga. So I know that you can easily find out the odd one. And running, sleeping, walking, these all are the activities which we do, right? Yoga, running भी भागना, walking भी भागना, yoga is also activity, sleeping. So which is different here? Tell me. Sleeping. रनिंग भी एक्सरसाइज, रनिंग में भी एक्टिविटी हो रही है, वॉकिंग इज ऑल्सो एन एक्टिविटी, योगा इज ऑल्सो एन एक्टिविटी, बट स्लीपिंग इज अ process in which no activity is there, right? Now the next is anemia, goiter, polio, rickets. Okay, so anemia is the name of disease which occur due to the iron deficiency. Goiter is also a deficiency disease. Iodine deficiency, due to the iodine deficiency goiter disease occur. And ricket is also a deficiency disease which occur due to the vitamin D deficiency. So which is odd here? Polio. Of course polio is not a deficiency disease, but rest of 3 diseases are deficiency diseases which actually happens or occurs due to the lack of certain vitamins and minerals, जो कि विटामिन और मिनरल्स की कमी से होने वाली डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस के नेम हैं, राइट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. टाइफॉइड, निमोनिया, मलेरिया एंड कॉलेरा. सो दीज आर द नेम्स. टाइफॉइड, निमोनिया, malaria and cholera. So children, this is your homework, and this is also your homework. You have these 2 questions you have to do by your own. AIDS, chickenpox, flu and scurvy. इसमें से भी आपको फाइंड करना है ऑड वन. टाइफॉइड, निमोनिया, मलेरिया एंड कॉलेरा, इसमें से भी आपको जो ऑड है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर आपसे होता है इट्स गुड, अगर नहीं हो पाता है देन आई विल टेल यू द आंसर, बट ट्राई इट. ओके बेटा. Now match the following. Here some names of the diseases are given. Question number 2. Match the following. Some names of the diseases like night blindness, scurvy, anemia, malaria, tuberculosis. These are some names of the diseases. Now we have to write the correct match in front of the each diseases. So what will be the right answer? So one by one you have to tell me the right answer. So first answer will be the night blindness occur due to the deficiency of विटामिन ए. स्कर्वी. स्कर्वी किसके साथ मैच करता है? स्कर्वी मैचेस विद द विटामिन सी. अनीमिया is related with iron. Malaria is related with किसका? Malaria is related with mosquito within bracket protozoa. Now the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is the disease name which occurs due to the bacteria. So this is all the match the following segment. Night blindness is matched with vitamin A. Scurvy will be matched with vitamin C. Anemia will be matched with iron, and malaria will be matched with mosquito within bracket protozoa. Spelling is P-R-O-T-O, protozoa, protozoa, and tuberculosis will be matched with bacteria. This is your question number 2. Match the following. Now we will do some other hot question also, like there is a question. Mohit is hot question means high order thinking scale. It is completely based on your thinking. आपकी सोचने की शक्ति पर डिपेंड करते हैं इसके आंसर. आपको ये सोच कर लिखने हैं. Let's think and answer. Let's think and answer. Mohit is suffering from bleeding gums and swelling of joints. उसको swelling gums, bleeding gums है, मतलब उसके gums में उसके मसूड़ों से bleeding होती है, and swelling of joints, और उसके joints में swelling रहते हैं, उसके हाथ पैर के जोड़ों में swelling रहती है. What do you think Mohit is suffering from? मोहित किस डिजीज़ से सफ़र कर रहा है? आप क्या सोचते हो? Suggest him any 2 food items to be included in his diet. आपको उसके लिए डाइट सजेस्ट करनी है. ऐसे 2 फूड आइटम्स बताने हैं उसके लिए जो कि उसकी इस प्रॉब्लम से उसको हेल्प कर सके, दूर कर सके. ओके, so the answer will be Mohit is suffering from bleeding gums. Mohit is suffering from bleeding gums and swelling of joints. It means Mohit is suffering from scurvy. Mohit is suffering from which disease? Scurvy. And we all know that scurvy occurs due to vitamin C deficiency. Scurvy occurs due to the vitamin C deficiency. स्कर्वी किसकी वजह से होता है? जब हमारी डाइट में, हमारे खाने में, हमारी बॉडी में विटामिन सी नहीं होता है प्रॉपर अमाउंट में, देन वी विल सफ़र फ्रॉम द स्कर्वी एज मोहित इज़ सफ़रिंग. So we will give vitamin C rich food like oranges, lemon, amla, tomatoes, etc. to the Mohit. So which type of diet we will give to the Mohit? So we will give all citrus fruits like जो भी खट्टे fruits हैं, which are rich in vitamin C. So this is your answer. Answer number 1 in HOTS, high order thinking scale question. Right? I hope children आपको ये वाला आंसर समझ में आया है. Now the next question is, why is it important to include fruits and vegetables in our diet? Why the fruits and vegetables should be included in the diet? क्यों हमें अपनी डाइट में फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स को ऐड करना चाहिए, इंक्लूड करना चाहिए? सो चिल्ड्रन, आंसर विल बी fruits and vegetables. The importance of fruits and vegetables. You have to discuss here the importance of fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. All the fruits and vegetables have vitamins and minerals, a good amount of vitamins and minerals. And we all know that vitamins and minerals are protective food. They are protective foods that protect us from various diseases. Protective foods are those foods which protect us from various diseases. So, we must include fruits and vegetables in our diet. So, this is the importance of fruits and vegetables. Like vitamins, all the vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, these all are found or present in the fruits and in vegetables also. Okay, so they are protective foods. That is why we can protect ourselves by eating protective food, by eating lots of fruits and vegetables. So children, you all have to eat lots of fruits and vegetables in regular daily life. This is your question number 2. That is importance of fruits and vegetables. Now the next question, that is value based question. This is value based question. Okay. So question is, Sana is suffering from chicken pox. What should she do to prevent other children getting infected? सना एक बच्ची है जो कि वो सफ़र कर रही है चिकन पॉक्स नाम की बीमारी से. उसे दूसरे बच्चों को इन्फेक्शन से बचाने के लिए वो क्या करना चाहिए? तो देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस. शेयर थिंग्स विद अदर चिल्ड्रन, उसको चीज़ों को शेयर करना चाहिए दूसरे बच्चों के साथ. प्ले विद चिल्ड्रन इन अ पार्क, बच्चों के साथ पार्क में खेलना चाहिए. रेस्ट एट होम, घर पे रेस्ट करना चाहिए. या फिर नन ऑफ दीज, इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. सो राइट आंसर विल बी रेस्ट एट होम. राइट आंसर विल बी रेस्ट एट होम. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. सो चिल्ड्रन, राइट आंसर विल बी rest at home. So value based question. We did today all the questions which are very important, and they all are completely based on your knowledge, your thinking power. So I hope you all have understood today's video. Do it in your copy, and thank you for watching the video.